Standard form of a circle, Chapter 10, Section 2. The formula to find the standard form of a circle is as follows. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The h and k coordinates will be your center. The number next to the coordinates is your radius. In this example, 8 is the h, is the k, 3 is your radius. In this problem, -7, 1, with a radius of 2. In this problem, second is negative, so the formula becomes x plus 7 instead of x minus -7, which would just equal x plus 7. So, using the formula, x plus 7 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 2 squared. X plus 7 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 4 squared, which is the answer to your radius squared. Now you have to graph this equation. First, in order to graph your circle, you'll draw your center, which will be -7, 1. This is your first point. Now you look at the radius, which in this example is 2, and you'll go up, down, left, right, 2 points from the center in each of these 4 directions. By the end of the process, you'll have 5 points total. To draw your circle, you'll draw a circle around the 4 points that are your radius. This is the graph for this example. I went 2 points up from the center at -7, 1 to -7, 3, 2 points to the right to -5, 1, 2 points down from the center to -7, -1, and 2 points to the left at -9, 1. In this example, your h is 5 and your k is 4. So x minus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 3 squared. X minus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 9, which is the result of 3 squared. In this example, you go up 3 places from your center, from 5, 4 to 5, 7, 3 places to the right to 8, 4, 3 places down to 5, 1, and 3 places to the left to 2, 4. This problem is a little bit different. In this example, your radius is not given to you directly. You have to find it. So in order to get your radius, which in this case will be 4, you count the number of units the center is away from the given axis, which in this example is y. What you do is you count going horizontal from your center, which is going straight across. So your radius is 4. Now you use the formula from before, x minus 4 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 4 squared, which will come out to 16. You can now graph like you did with the other 2 problems. You will go up 4 from your center, from 4, 4 to 4, 8, right to 8, 4, down to 4, 0, and left 0, 4. This one is similar to the last problem, only this time you're going from your center to the x-axis. So in this problem, 3/4 tangent to the x-axis, only this time you're going down rather than straight across. So you do the same basic premise and count the units going down from your center. In this example as well, the number from the center is 4. So your problem becomes 3, 4, 4. So x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 4 squared. X minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 16. Once again, you go up, down, left, right from your center, which is 3, 4 in this case. So you go from 3, 4 to 3, 8, which is up. 7, 4, right. 3, 0, down. And 3, 4, left. Here are some practice problems to practice with. And this is the answer to the problem 5, 6, 3. X minus 5 squared plus x minus 6 squared equals 3 squared. X minus 5 squared plus x minus 6 squared equals 9. So in this practice problem, you go up 3 points from 5, 6, which will equal 5, 9. You go down 3 points, which will equal 5, 3. You go left 3 points, which will equal 8, 6. And left 3 points, which will equal 2, 6. In this problem, negative 4, 3, tangent to y-axis, you will go from your center, negative 4, 3, 4 units right to the y-axis. And your point there will be 0, 3. Up from the center will be negative 4, 7. Down will be negative 4, negative 1. Left will be negative 8, 3. For the third practice problem, solution 3 is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 3 squared. The result of that is 9 squared. In order to graph your circle, you will go up 3 points from your center,